Hey guys, we're back with another self-cleaning litter box with Pixar. Are you the star of the show? Or is the PETKIT PURAMAX self-cleaning litter box? Well, we're gonna get that out in the open here during this unboxing and review. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I've been getting a lot of these, and this is what, like maybe the fourth or fifth automatic litter box. And all the ones that I reviewed have worked great. They've been passed on to other family members, friends, and they've been working great. So we've got another one today, and we're going to unbox this. And I'm going to set it up for about a week, because that's really all I need is 3 or 4 days to see it go through its paces. My cats will go, I have 3 cats, so they will go in here and test this out, and the cats will let me know if they like it. Especially Pixar, right?
Uh-huh.
So guys, let me give you a little information on this. This is $4.99 on Amazon. So it's priced mid-range. Your upper litter boxes cost about $6.50. And your lower end ones are going to be around the $3.50 to $400 range. This one's kind of in the mid. So this claims it has a huge capacity dump chute. So it claims 15 days with 1 cat. Not so sure about that. We have 3 cats and these to fill up in about 3 or 4 days. But very easy because it self-cleans. It goes into the storage area, which is right there. And this is app controlled, and the app will let you know when this is full. You pull the bag out, you put a new bag in, you close the door, it's ready to keep going. So Melissa, grab the knife, and I think you might have to remove the cat.
Can you hold the knife while I get the cat out?
We didn't even think you would stay there.
Sorry.
And now we have to open it and interrupt you.
What?
But he'll explore. He'll play with the stuff inside. And Pixar, we gotta get you cats. We gotta get you cats doing some crazy stuff.
They don't live here for free.
John, you're the one that usually tests these boxes out for me. Will you do that, John? I'll give you a treat. Does John want a treat? Yeah, cats, guys. Cats. All right, first impressions. We're gonna look at stuff, see how it comes out of the box, what packaging material they use. So, what is this? Interesting, okay. How to use back here with, yep. So it is a little different than the one I have downstairs by a different company. All right, so the mat is in here. That look familiar?
It does.
Right. So a lot of them are using the same type of litter box, but change it up a little bit. I don't know why they would fold it like that. So guys, it's kind of going to need to be pushed down, but once it sits on the ground, it'll. All right. So yeah, it's definitely different. It is different than the one.
Stickers!
Oh, stickers. That's pretty cool. We're trying to find you guys. You could come on Adam's channel. You could search all his videos. He can link them down on the bottom for you guys. And you guys can see which one of these litter boxes is right for you. All right, guys. So as promised, it's been a week. It just gave me a full bin alert. So this does have a big bin in it. So I was very impressed by that. I'm impressed with this thing 100%. So this is the PETKIT PURAMAX. Let me make sure, I'll correct it if I said that wrong. But guys, this is the only little robot that, oh, hi guys. Gotta introduce you, John. So I had to give him treats to get them in here. and Pixar. You guys know Pixar. Both of these cats took to this litter box day one, and they've been using this one over the ones in the basement. And those are, I don't want to say name brand, but the high-end ones that are, you go to Google and you type in litter box, they're going to pop up. And they sell them on their website. This one is sold on Amazon, and there's going to be a link in the description where you can purchase this. But let's get on with this quick review. So before I start, I'm going to put the shot glass of liquid in there for you guys. All right, you guys see that? And we're going to run it through a clean cycle here in a moment. So what I want to tell you guys is the cats took to this litter box so quickly. And I want to tell you why I think that is. Down inside here, it goes down real deep. So they actually feel there's a lot of room in this box. These cats are average size. This can go probably up to a 20-pound cat, and the cat will fit in there pretty easily. The opening's a little bigger, it's a little smaller opening compared to some of them, but it's not super small. Let me click on this. So, yeah, so if you see here, this has been used 7 times today, which on the app, it'll tell you if that's above average or below average for each day. Guys, this is the first one that's never aired out on me. The app works perfect. I'm probably gonna add this one down in the lineup to use this daily, because I have 3 cats, so I need 2. I need 2 of these. And I do have one brand down there that I love. I'm not gonna mention them right here in this video, but if you go back in some of Adam's videos, you'll see it. You'll know which one I'm talking about. It is the one to beat. If this company wants to do a head-to-head, they can let us know, and we can do that, because this is an awesome litter box. It's just been great. I highly recommend, if you're looking for one, this is a budget-friendly one on Amazon. The link will be in the description. I would purchase this, no questions asked. And if you guys get one, please leave a comment. I am using Dr. Essie's Ultra. This is a very good price on Amazon. It's a 40-pound bag. This holds a lot of litter. And like I said, a week went by and I have not added anything more. And I put it almost to the max line. As you guys can see there, it is below the max line, so it is using litter, which of course it's going to. So from all these that I've experienced in reviews, this one stays pretty clean. So I would say 3 more weeks. This is gonna get dirty, but there is a maintenance mode you put it in on the phone. In maintenance mode, it'll bring this up, allow you to reach in there with a cloth and some soap, and you just hand clean it once a month. I mean, that's really all you do, guys. The bin, like I said, is huge. I'm gonna pull this out. I wanted you guys to see this. I told you I just cleaned it. I didn't want you guys to see a bunch of waste, but this was packed to the top. There was one little piece right here, and I think that's what when the door closes, because it's got a sealed system up underneath this box. I'll show you guys. This door shuts on it. So I believe when this door goes down and it hits the waste, it knows it's full. Because I don't really see any sensors. If anybody has this and there's a sensor, let me know. But it worked perfectly. This seals down on top of this, and there's no smell that comes out. Okay? Now, I wanted to show you guys this before we end the video and I do a clean cycle. This is their Pure Air Smart Spray. Okay, I mentioned this in the beginning when I unboxed it, but I didn't really, after sitting down and watching a video on this, I found out that this system really works great. And let me show you why. How nice that is. Comes with your batteries, it comes with 2 refills. And this, didn't realize this at first, I should have mentioned it to you guys. This goes up inside here, and it mounts right over to there. And every time this system turns on, motion moves this. And then when it's done cleaning or while it's cleaning, it'll spray some of this don't know if it's like an essential oil because it looks like it's liquid, so it's not going to be a real chemical spray, because I read online that it's not going to harm cats. And every time it cycles, it's going to spray the spray in there, and it's going to keep it sanitized and clean. And this even has a light. So once you dock this, once you install this with the system, you can turn a light on and there can be a light inside there for your cats. So this is a fantastic addition. So that's why I had to mention this to you guys. And if I keep this in the mix downstairs with the others, this is going in for sure. Yeah, while we're waiting, I did bring the mat out because I just don't like litter on my hardwood floors. So I took the, it comes with a real nice mat. All right, guys, let's put this through a clean cycle. It's been a couple minutes, and I'll let you guys watch this. All you do is you press this button once at the top. It brings it to the main menu. It says that it's been used 6 times today, which is really a nice touch, because all the other ones I have don't say anything on a display. Clean now, okay. I'll try to foul this up and let you guys see exactly what it's doing. That's what's so great about these litter boxes. Is you come home to a clean litter box every single day. You're going to see that piece. Should slide through here any second. There it is. You guys hear that? So what it does is it falls into this little chute, pretty good sized chute. So it would take really, really, really big clumps to clog this up. You see how that's sitting inside that chute? Yep, there it is. So all that is quite a bit. I can't believe that little bit of water made that much. You see how clean this is? Look at this mat down there, guys, how clean this mat is. It's such a deep base. It's so much better than any of the other ones that I've had. Listen. Okay. You guys see anything in there at all? Isn't that great? And that's it. Perfectly clean. Just got a notification on my phone. Manual cleaning complete. And then back to the main screen. And the door just closed. Now the system is completely sealed off again. Fantastic system, guys. I just wanted you guys to see that because that is the main reason to buy one of these litter boxes. And on the app, guys, there's so many options. I haven't even used all the options. So it cleaned once. If you have a lot of cats, it can clean twice. It can clean 3 times. In the app, you tell it how many times you want it to clean. So guys, if you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps Adam's channel. It helps me. We're getting more of these sent to us from customers out there that want to get their product out there. Because Adam's honest, I'm honest. If you know, comparing this to the last one that I did, this blows the last one away, and I like the last one. So please subscribe to his channel. He's trying to get to 50,000 subscribers before the end of the year. And leave comments. It helps us a lot. So there will be a link in the description for you to buy this product, and I highly recommend this litter box. It is fantastic, and I'm probably going to keep it for myself. Until the next video, you guys have a great day. We'll see you in the next one.